Okay, so I was going to replace the window regulator in a 2004 Toyota Camry, and it's not functioning. Anyway, that was the complaint from the customer. So I went ahead and bought the window regulator for it. But I noticed that the window lock feature is depressed on this. And I don't think any of the windows work when this thing is depressed, except for maybe this one. So let's try it out. Yeah, so problem fixed. So before you guys go and buy the part like I did, make sure that this is not on. There's nothing wrong with this regulator in this car. Problem solved.